Today we're going to talk to you about the SureStart service that we offer at Clark-Reliance. When you purchase a significant amount of equipment from us that might include gauge glasses, smart level indication systems for monitoring your boiler water level, we will provide one of our trained staff or trained field rep into your facility to inspect the unit, make sure the piping is properly installed, make sure it's installed to your satisfaction, that there is no code violations. In addition, we'll examine all the electrical components and cycle test everything, as well as all the field wiring connections to make sure everything's installed properly before you commission it into service. In fact, let's go take a look at an actual unit. Here's an example of a smart level control unit, and one of the things we would examine is the coaxial wire terminations on this end of the system, as well as the junction box in the control unit. We'll look at power input wire, we'll make sure all the control modules are functioning properly, and we'll train your staff with any maintenance questions, any installation questions that they may have. We're here for the long haul to give you all the service you need. So remember, the next time you're buying a significant amount of equipment to monitor your boiler level, be it gauge glasses or remote level indicators, specify the SureStart commissioning service. Any questions, please contact us or go to our website at clarkreliance.com. Have a great day.